I don't think we solve a problem. I think we open up an opportunity. With AI and machine learning, we create the ability for that AI and ML workloads to come to life, but you can't do that unless you have infrastructure there. We open up a massive opportunity. Meeting their expectations is everything. A lot of companies say, we're building cool tech. That's why we engage with that client in order for them to tell us, not just is what we built cool, but how can we continue to make it usable and valuable for them? Where the stumbling blocks, where are the opportunities? Our success is a draft off of their success. I'm not about sheer volume of partners. I'm about building a community and bringing new value propositions. I don't want a bunch of people that are following us. I want a bunch of people that are helping lead us. We've built great tech based upon input from all of our different clients. We understand the world's changing. We're changing right along with it, but never leaving our values and always listening to our clients.
Scale was such a good fit for Taco Bell is we really wanted to focus on the applications and the platforms that actually run our experiences in business versus the foundational tech that's required. And so we really wanted to leave that to experts. One of the things that I really love about Scale is they kind of act as our foundational technology department. And so even though it might mean that they lose selling us hardware, they're constantly coming to us with ideas around how we can save some money here, about how we can improve things here. They've just always been out for our best interest.
We wanted to do something different than what everyone else in the market is doing. We're wanting to bring elements into this new partner program that rewarded partners for their capabilities, not just the volume that they do with scale computing, that are branching out and taking advantage of all the options that they have now, and they will be rewarded for their expertise. It's exciting to see that it's moving away from traditional revenue generating and more into the capability generating.
One thing that I heard that partners are really craving is repeatability. Partners know what they sell, and they sell what they know. If we want true repeatability and true growth, we have doubled down on curriculum. What they can expect out of this program is growth through repeatability.